Welcome to the media.
Thank you so much.
Can you bring up the speed? Any update from
Well, I don't know where there's any update. As far as another is concerned, the Supreme Court remains really static on what they said earlier. The law is the law. They identified two movements of the other barrel. Action that was taken after that time, I think I was
No, but you are the one who represented let's talk. They want to listen
and so, yes, so I'm error, but I'm now a legal practitioner. What I'm listening to, I think that we are where we are. The Supreme Court says that any action that does not have the required statutory processes involved, no power. 37 can compare the acquisitive members of here, how it's not established, now can it be found for us. At the same token, the number of 49 or 50 that you say, the national official defines as a process. That much I can say.
So from
a member of the one of the songs
and so when I departed, I didn't do it the most I was struck. I felt the Supreme Court rule, and then you were being, the decision of being considered ambiguous to we the legal practitioners. Then the Minister of Justice came and then gave his opinion. The Attorney General is the only president who is very confident, but yes, someone has authority to interpret what it is. Right. According to the Justice Minister's interpretation, they said, other power was applicable to the minority. Okay, and then so they were doing business. Like I ended up doing some of your business. Yesterday, when I went out there for inducement, I was speaking, I'm not on a committee, I'm not even complaining. But I feel something. I said, I'm seeing some people. Well, I don't think I made a mistake. I don't think I was in error. I don't think I was in error. As I said earlier, that elected by the money that was signed. And the some of you interest was interest. So one day, activity that going on here, I went there. So I'm in error.
So what do you intend to do now?
Finally, in the case where there was a ruling from the Supreme Court and it went in the favor of the minority.
I'll go to where action is. That's what I say this. My commitment, I enshrined a particular group of people.
Just a minute, let me hear you on that statement. There's some people are very clear. They say even if they are 1,000, that does not give them the right to conduct business. You were there. Are you still saying you were going to?
I just told you I heard it. If you say, as per Supreme Court ruling, suppose the board turn. That's what you're saying, right?
Yes.
And I say I go to where the action is.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
So that was the voice of Honorable Thomas Romeo Quiyah, one of the area of the House of Representatives, speaking to us. So the ruling from the Supreme Court is a bit tricky. We're hoping to speak to judicial reporter to help us interpret that particular ruling. But again, this is focused on Liberia. We are coming live to you from the Supreme Court. So we're hoping to speak to the relevant authority, to speak to court reporters, to provide some updates. Casey, you provide update. You provide some update. So we're hoping to. Jim Melvin. That's in there. So, like I said, the interpretation per the Bill of Information filed by the embattled Speaker, Councillor J. Fonati Koffa. Well, I'm not a co-reporter specifically, so I can dive into it. I'm hoping to speak to one of the co-reporters who will further explain the interpretation of the Supreme Court. But from the aspect of things, we are observing that the interpretation will win in favor with the minority bloc or the rule of law caucus, stating that every other activities that have been done by the majority bloc are illegal. They don't have any right to conduct sessions. So it says that Councillor J. Fonati Koffa is still the Speaker of the 55th Legislature.